Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add a moderator to a Facebook group. So firstly open your Facebook group first, like this one, and then you have to go to people option, this one, people. Now scroll down and choose the person you want to make moderator, like this one. You have to click on three dot icon beside this group name. Now you'll find here this invite as moderator. Click on invite as moderator and click on send invite. Now this guy will have a notification, and if he accept the notification, or if he accept to be a group moderator, he will be added as a group moderator here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.